Yeah, that really caught my attention.
There's a lot of smart people at National Hurricane Center. I have to brag a little bit because I'm an NC State grad, and that was Mike Brennan that you saw there. I went to school with Mike. Also, Robbie Berg and Jamie Rome at the National Hurricane Center, all NC State grads. So they're in good hands at that organization.
I'm amazed at how specific their forecast is. Like anywhere between 13 and 19 and down to the strength of the storms. That's incredible.
The science has gotten so much improved. There's still a lot of uncertainty, hence the cone. But there's a lot. We're doing a lot better, and hopefully it will continue.
Is that a term you use here in the Midwest?
Uncertainty?
The cone of uncertainty.
Cone of uncertainty. What does that mean?
It's, it's just as you go out farther in time, the uncertainty in the forecast grows. Hence the cone. It grows the farther away you go from it. So it's still as we get in time with any forecasting, with any meteorology, the uncertainty grows as you go out farther and farther. Let's get to the forecast. I'll show you where my uncertainty is because I think that's going to be two places. One, when we get some showers and storms this evening, but also two, how warm are we going to get next week, which is a pretty nice, a bit of uncertainty there. Just will we get to 85? Will we get warmer or cooler? Starting with temperatures here into the 70s. Overall, pretty nice afternoon. Temperatures a little cooler here for Batesville, and that's because this is where the rain showers have rolled through recently. Most of those are moving on by. I want to show you this graphic because this is going to illustrate what it'll be like tomorrow. These are the highest wind gusts over the last 24 hours. Most of those have occurred this afternoon. Probably going to see identical numbers as we look to tomorrow afternoon. So you see those 20s and 30s, 30-mile-per-hour winds. I think you're going to see similar windy conditions or gusty conditions looking to tomorrow. Radar is quiet. I mentioned those showers and storms farther to the south and east. I think it'll stay quiet for at least the next several hours. What I'm going to be tracking is this. This is that uncertainty I talked about. How much of this will hold together as it moves out of Chicago and off of the lake and moves through central Indiana for tonight and through this evening. Also, the uncertainty is, will it be in two waves? Will we have a wave of some showers and storms around 8 or 9 o'clock, and then when we have another sometime after midnight? Watching that. Where we have a lot more certainty is with the forecast for tomorrow, where we are expecting to clear things out. Sure, it will remain breezy, and that will keep our temperatures from getting out of the 70s for tomorrow because there's certainly enough sunshine, but I think we'll keep sunshine in the forecast for the weekend, for both Saturday and for Sunday. And because the air is going to be drier, it will also cool down a bit for Saturday night. 44, we're going to hold on to that. That's a chilly start for Sunday, but all of the sunshine will help to get us up into the mid-70s. We've also been talking about that drier air mass that moves in. It's also going to come with a little bit of that wildfire smoke that we've been talking about. I think as the winds begin to pick up out of the north and northwest, especially sometime late Saturday or into early Sunday, we could see a little bit of particulate matter, that wildfire smoke from Canadian wildfires, move in sometime through the weekend. Don't be surprised if it's a little hazier. And then we talk about a big warm up. Now, there's going to be some cooler air that will settle in across the Great Lakes for the next several days or so. That's why temperatures for the weekend are only into the mid-70s. I say only because look to the west. All of this warmer air is moving our way. And when is it going to get here and how warm will it be? Well, I'm going to put an 85 on there for Tuesday. I feel very comfortable with that. Looks like it's going to be quite nice. I expect sunshine to stay in the forecast all the way through early Wednesday. Then we'll have a chance for some rain and storms returning to the forecast.